Hello everyone. So in today's video we'll complete test your knowledge under fairness. So here click on open quiz. After clicking on open quiz it will send us here. Here you can see the correct answers. For the first question is false, and for the second question is these three, and for the third question are those two, and for the fourth question is last two, and for the fifth question is this one. Now we'll just click here to submit answer. Guys, I don't say this at the starting of this video because it will waste some kind of your time, guys. If you like my content, please do like and subscribe to my channel, guys. And if you want any kind of videos in any topic, you can comment the topic in the comment section. Otherwise, provide the link of this topic which you want the video. I'll be providing you as soon as possible, guys. Now if you want to view your badges, you can click on this view profile, and after that it will take you here. So we have completed all the badges under machine learning crash course. So here you can see the badges are here. If you want, you can do this public and attach your profile in your resumes, guys. It will really help you a lot, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. We'll meet in the next video. Until that, do support with a like and subscribe. It will help me a lot, guys. Thank you for watching, guys.